As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the Charbroil Grill2Go X200, ASINB 00BFPM Li8, and the American Gourmet 4-burner gas grill, ASINB 08T57 CWBW. Sounds good.
Yep, let's dive in. Right off the bat, the Grill2Go is portable, right? It weighs only 20 pounds.
Exactly. It's designed for tailgating and camping. The American Gourmet, on the other hand, is a full-sized cart grill, almost 60 pounds. Definitely not something you're lugging around easily.
Okay, so portability is a huge win for the Grill2Go. What about cooking space?
The Grill2Go has 200 square inches. It's enough for a decent amount of burgers or hot dogs. The American Gourmet blows it out of the water with 532 square inches. That's a big difference.
Huge! So if you're cooking for a crowd at home, the American Gourmet is the better bet. But what about power?
The Grill2Go has a 9,500 BTU burner, while the American Gourmet has 36,000 BTUs spread across 4 burners. So again, the American Gourmet is way more powerful.
Makes sense given the size difference. What about materials? Are they both stainless steel?
The Grill2Go has stainless steel grates and a die-cast firebox with an aluminum lid. The American Gourmet also boasts stainless steel grates, but they are described as heavy-duty.
Durability is key. Is there anything else that sets them apart?
The Grill2Go uses Charbroil's TRU infrared cooking system, which is supposed to eliminate flare-ups and cook food evenly. The American Gourmet doesn't mention that feature. Oh, and the Grill2Go has push-button ignition.
Push-button ignition is always nice. The American Gourmet has burner knobs with built-in ignition, similar idea. And the American Gourmet has GearTrax-enabled side shelves, which is a nice bonus for prep space.
Good point. One last thing, though. The American Gourmet is currently unavailable.
That's a pretty big factor then. So if you need a grill now and want something portable, the Grill2Go wins by default.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.